The key to making money in a situation like this is to position yourself now before the settlement. Because by the time you read about it in the Wall Street Journal, it's already too late. And you wait. You wait.
Chainlink is arguably one of the most important cryptocurrencies in all of cryptocurrency. It is so important that without it, a lot of things are going to immediately go wrong, which actually ties to one of my concerns about Chainlink. Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you may or may not know, my name is Herve, and every other day on this channel, I try my best to bring you cryptocurrency in the easiest way possible on the internet. If this is the type of content you are interested in, click the like button and subscribe to the channel with your notifications on so that you do not get to miss any other important video like this one. Without said and done, let's just jump right into the research video. Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle built on the Ethereum network with the ticker symbol LINK. Chainlink was discovered in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, but be it as it may, Nazarov is more recognized in the crypto space. In fact, he claims to have been in crypto since 2013, and some people even think he could be Satoshi Nakamoto. Chainlink was officially launched in 2019 and the trademark was registered in the Cayman Islands. Chainlink's primary function is to provide real-world data on-chain and to provide on-chain data off-chain. So it's basically an intermediary, hence the name Chainlink. You see, blockchains like Ethereum are made up of decentralized applications or dApps. These decentralized applications need data like price feeds, and Chainlink is there to provide this data. Chainlink accomplishes this by using different nodes on its platform to provide this data. Now, all nodes reach a consensus or agreement before data is transmitted. This cancels out the dependence on one node for data. Speaking of nodes, these are basically data providers or oracle nodes on the Chainlink network who get paid in Link for their services. And that actually brings us to the Link token. So Chainlink uses an ERC20 token. Now ERC20 simply means a token on the Ethereum network. So they use an ERC20 token Link to pay data providers on the Chainlink network. The project had an ICO or initial coin offering which ended on the 18th of September 2017. Now, just so you know, most projects have an ICO or funding round before they officially launch, because you might be wondering why they launched later after having an ICO. Link's ICO price was 11 cents. Now, just for context, 11 cents there means that anyone who bought Link at 11 cents during that ICO and held until at the time of making this video is sitting at a 62x return on investment. But I do not think anyone would be still sitting on that because Link went on to $52. We will see into that as we go on with Link's price history. As noted before, Link is primarily used to reward node operators who then turn around to sell Link to make money. It's pretty good. Now, this used to be so until Link staking got introduced. Link staking, which the version 1 is live now, will bring an added economic factor to secure the network. As I was able to gather from the Chainlink blog, staking Link will enable node operators and community members to increase network security guarantees and user assurances of Oracle services by backing them with staked Link tokens. So since there is something at stake here, it will of course enhance the ability of node operators to receive jobs and earn the corresponding fees. Now, it's important to understand that staking this Link means actually locking it up as a form of assurance of Chainlink Oracle services, which mean in the event where an oracle fails to meet up with its obligation in its on-chain service level agreement, then a portion of that staked Link will be slashed. So simply we can see how positive this can end up to be for the price of Link in the future, given that there wasn't any staking in the past bull market. As said before, Link had an ICO of 2,600 Link per ETH or 11 cents as per the price of ETH at that time. After this time, Link continued to trade below the dollar mark where it peaked to $1.51 in January of 2018 as the bull market peaked in December of 2017, so a month later. Now, food for thought. All coins peak and bottom out at different times. Bitcoin peaked in December of 2017 and Link peaked in January of 2018. So there is a big difference there. Link then fell off this peak and went into the 2018-2019 bear market where it traded between 60 and 15 cents. Now that is simply a consolidation or what you might call a Wyckoff type accumulation schematic. So until May of 2019 where Link took off and went back to its peak of $1 and went off for good. Now in its chart we can see that Link took off rapidly. This was because Chainlink mainnet was officially launched on Ethereum, which you will know because we talked about Chainlink being officially launched in 2019. Link then surpassed its previous all-time high of $1 and rallied by 300%.
Liftoff of the Delta rocket carrying GLAST, a gamma-ray telescope searching for unseen physics in the stars of the galaxies.
It then ranged from there and peaked at $54 in the 2021 bull run. Of course, like every other cryptocurrency, it plummeted from its all-time high and is now ranging in a type of range which we last saw when it plummeted from $1. Something to keep an eye on. Link has a total supply of 1 billion Link tokens and a max supply of also 1 billion Link tokens. At the time of making this video, Link's current circulating supply is 491 million Link tokens with a market cap of 3.3 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $6.8 billion. Now, market cap is price times the circulating supply and fully diluted market cap is price times the total supply. So fully diluted market cap is basically the market cap if all the tokens were in circulation. This is the metric you can use to see if a coin is overvalued or undervalued. Chainlink over the years has secured enormous partnerships and collaborations which will take forever if we wanted to even mention them in this video. I mean, even Cardano wanted to build its own Oracle project for the Cardano network and ended up coming back to Link. Coinbase's newly launched layer 2 scaling solution, which is Base, is going to use Chainlink. There are a lot more milestones that Chainlink wants to cover, including the interoperability sector, like Quant. And there is a good chance it succeeds, given that it's already been used by almost every project in the crypto space. Now, that all sounds fun, but it's actually a concern of mine because that simply means Chainlink is becoming a monopoly in the space. And this is a problem because if Chainlink was not to function, it will mean that some decentralized exchanges who use Chainlink for price feeds will use wrong data. It will cause chaos. Another concern of mine is the Chainlink Foundation, and they are constantly selling Link tokens to fund ventures. It could be good for Link in the future, but for now it is suppressing Link's price appreciation. But anyway, as I have noticed, Link Marines are die-hard hodlers, so they will enjoy the benefits of hodling Link later in the future. And that is that for my Link overview, people. I try to make these research videos shorter now. I used to make very long videos and I went in depth, but I find that videos like that don't really do well. So I try to condense the video and bring you just the information you need. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like and a subscribe if you haven't done that already. And I will see you in the next video.